in my road. I know why the river stopped running. I know when it may be time to go. I see the floor of the exit sign. I try to quit while I'm ahead. I guess there's something here that's blocking out the light. It's just like everybody said. They're just obstacles. They're just objects in the way. You don't always have to beat them, but make sure that they don't stay. They're just obstacles. They're just challenge to be faced. So good luck with where you're going, 'cause I know that you'll get there someday. Setback feels like. I've seen the rock roll down the hill, and the spring, it's always been receding. It only stops when I give in, I sit still. I see the clouds off in the distance. I see the end of sunny days, and in the haze of morning, when the coffee's just not working, oh, I wonder if it's even worth the wait. But they're just obstacles. They're just objects in the way. You don't always have to beat them, but make sure that they don't stay. They're just obstacles. There's a challenge to be faced. So good luck with where